Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we are going to delve deep into a high-performance machine that combines luxury, elegance, and an incredible driving experience. If you've been searching for a vehicle that provides the comfort and features of an SUV but with the speed and agility of a supercar, the 2026 Audi RS Q8 is your perfect choice. This vehicle is a supercar in disguise, offering top-tier performance, futuristic design, and an interior that redefines luxury. Let's take a closer look at the full specifications and features of this incredible machine. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 delivers a bold and muscular presence on the road. Audi has taken the classic Q8 design and enhanced it for the performance enthusiast, and the result is spectacular. The exterior is optimized for airflow with sleek lines and sculpted body panels that reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. Wide fenders give the RS Q8 an athletic stance, while the roofline slopes gently towards the rear, offering a coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing the practicality of an SUV. The wheels of the Audi RS Q8 are one of its standout features, available in large 22-inch alloys *. The aggressive, multi-spoke design not only looks stunning but is engineered for improved braking performance and heat dissipation. At the back, the Audi RS Q8 continues the bold styling with sharp, angular LED taillights that connect across the width of the car, creating a dynamic, modern look. The quad exhaust tips sit low, with a diffuser adding a touch of performance to the SUV's look. The rear spoiler ensures aerodynamic stability, enhancing high-speed handling. Step inside the *2026 Audi RS Q8 *, and you're greeted by a luxurious, technology-packed cabin designed to offer both comfort and functionality. Audi has used premium materials throughout, combining style with sophistication. The front of the RS Q8 is unmistakably Audi, with a large, aggressive single-frame grille that dominates the look. This is flanked by sharp, dynamic LED headlights featuring the signature Audi light signature that not only looks futuristic but also offers superior lighting performance at night. The lower air intakes are wider and more pronounced, emphasizing the SUV's performance capabilities. The interior is full of RS-specific details, from the unique RS steering wheel with flat-bottom design to the Alcantara finishes and the RS-branded door sill trims *. Audi also includes a panoramic glass sunroof, making the cabin feel open and airy. Despite its performance capabilities, the RS Q8 doesn't compromise on practicality. The SUV offers ample cargo space for daily usage, and the rear seats fold flat to offer even more room for luggage or equipment when needed. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi RS Q8 is a supercar in disguise. This beast is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, making an astonishing 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque *. This powertrain enables the RS Q8 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just *3.7 seconds putting it firmly in the supercar category. The engine is paired with an *8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission that ensures quick gear shifts and a smooth ride. The power is sent to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction on all types of terrain, whether you're driving in the city or on winding mountain roads. The RS Q8 comes with sports bucket seats upholstered in Napa leather, offering both luxury and support during high-performance driving. The seats are available in a variety of colors, including deep black, moon silver, *, and red accents, adding a personalized touch. The RS Sport seats offer exceptional lumbar support and come with adjustable heating and ventilation for added comfort. Audi has equipped the RS Q8 with the latest MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens for easy access to infotainment and vehicle settings. The upper screen controls navigation, media, and other infotainment functions, while the lower screen focuses on climate controls and convenience features. The Virtual Cockpit Plus digital instrument cluster displays vital information such as speed, G-forces, navigation maps, and performance data in high resolution. It's not just about looks, this system is intuitive and driver-focused. The cabin features customizable ambient lighting that enhances the luxury atmosphere. The colors can be adjusted to your preference, from calming tones to more vibrant hues, depending on your mood. The Audi RS Q8 features adaptive air suspension with RS-specific tuning, offering the perfect balance between a sporty ride and everyday comfort. The suspension system lowers the vehicle at high speeds to enhance stability, and the dynamic steering system makes cornering more precise. It also comes with carbon ceramic brakes to handle the immense stopping power required by such a powerful SUV. The RS Q8 is equipped with multiple driving modes that can be adjusted based on your driving preferences. These modes adjust suspension stiffness, throttle response, and steering feel, allowing you to go from relaxed cruising to track-ready performance with the flick of a button. Audi has ensured that the RS Q8 is equipped with the latest safety technologies to protect its occupants. This system uses a combination of radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors to detect potential collisions. It can automatically apply the brakes if a collision is imminent. The RS Q8 comes with an advanced adaptive cruise control system, which adjusts your speed based on the car ahead and maintains a safe distance. This system will gently steer the RS Q8 to keep you within your lane and warn you if you start drifting without signaling. A 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, ensuring you can navigate tight spaces with ease. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Whether you're tackling city streets, cruising on the highway, or hitting the track, this SUV offers an unparalleled driving experience. From its aggressive exterior design to its advanced tech-filled interior and thrilling performance, the Audi RS Q8 is a supercar in every sense, disguised as an everyday luxury SUV. If you're someone who desires the best of both worlds, then this is the vehicle for you. Thank you for joining us today on Dream Cars. If you enjoyed learning about the *2026 Audi RS Q8 *, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, exclusive updates, and everything that's new in the world of luxury cars. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.